New 2024 Skoda Scala facelift. Prices start from £22,095. View all Skoda Scala reviews. Skoda Scala gets revised looks, more safety kit. Plus, some more efficient petrol engines. First deliveries set to arrive in 2024. Skoda has confirmed prices for the facelift Scala. The updated version of the Czech company's segment-defying family hatchback will start from £22,095. UK buyers will be able to order their cars from October, with first deliveries expected to arrive in the first half of 2024. The facelift Skoda Scala lineup is separated into three specifications called SE, SE L and Monte Carlo. Even the cheapest SE model is well equipped, though. Standard equipment includes 16-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and keyless go. Inside, there's an 8.0-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.25-inch infotainment system and dual-zone climate control. Skoda's mid-range Scala SE L is priced from £23,895. Upgrades over the base model include 17-inch alloy wheels, chrome window surrounds and rear privacy glass, while the interior features a larger 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster, an upgraded 9.2-inch infotainment system and ambient lighting. Skoda Scala Monte Carlo rear 3/4 static, red paint, studio shoot. At the top of the range, there's the sporty Scala Monte Carlo. Prices start from £27,795, which is quite a big leap from the SE L grade. However, it's worth noting that you can't have the Monte Carlo with the Scala's entry-level petrol engine and that you get a lot more standard equipment. Upgrades include 18-inch alloy wheels, a panoramic sunroof, a rear-view camera and matrix LED headlights with adaptive high beam and a cornering function. You also get a drive mode selector and an upgraded suspension setup with 15mm lowered springs and adjustable dampers.